Well, today we're at Fair Harvest Permaculture Campground, and this is about 15 minutes north of Margaret River, and it has all sorts of workshops and all sorts of things. But it's a nice little quirky campground. We thought we'd come here and stay for a little bit and have a look around. So let's go inside and we'll have a look around and show you what it's about. So we found this place off Hip Camps, and you know, for all you travellers out there, you know, Hip Camps is a really great app for just finding those things you'd never get in a normal circle of tourism, you know what I mean? And most of them are farm stays, and this one actually looks a treat. We've only just been here half an hour set up, and we're just going to have a bit of an explore and see what's around. But it was pretty good. All sorts of walks, animals, and just got a nice feel about it. The kind of place where you arrive at and you think, oh, I feel like I want to explore here, it'd be good. So let's go and have a look. So here's a beautiful little place where you can come and sit down and relax. $5 a kilo for some nice fresh fruit. Might get some of that before we go. Really good. How's this little lounge chairs? You know, this is absolutely excellent. A little bit of a book thing if you want to read books. What's in here?
Yeah, so that's just dried fruit.
Yeah, but make sure you get down to all the real produce gardens down the bottom there. Yeah, that's where it all really happens.
Yeah.
Okay. What's this? They're little cake.
They're beans.
Oh, just beans, black ones.
Purple.
Oh.
Wow.
Here.
Oh, fig.
Yep. So we've just dried all these figs. There you go.
Oh, awesome.
And I'm just making a curry with these beans, and then underneath there we've just harvested some beautiful capsicum.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, you got us excited.
Yeah.
Come down and do a course with us sometime.
Yeah. Okay.
We do quite regularly do a 2-day permaculture course.
Yes.
We've got one happening this weekend.
Yeah.
And then we do a 2-week one as well.
Yes.
And the 2-week one includes camping and all meals. I cater for the whole course.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
When I looked a long time ago on your Hip Camp page, I thought, well, you have a lot going on here, you know, but you got a book, you know.
Yeah. And we've got an open day on the 16th of April.
Okay.
So we open as a cafe on that day.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. I'm sure it's
So if you book soon, you could book in for camping over the weekend.
Yeah, we're going to Broome soon, so we'll
great.
plan, but we'll be.
Awesome.
Yeah. There's lots of little places to sit. So the lady Jodie that owns this place, she said that they do lots of workshops. Obviously they do yoga and all those things, but you know, they do lots of workshops and permaculture, and they grow a lot of food here. So they have up to 2 weeks you can come here and camp and learn about all the permaculture and all kinds of things. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. The lady's really nice, she is. So as you can see, there's just so many places to explore. Lots of places where people sit around. So this isn't the main garden, but she said just have a look around. Some nice hot chilies there. A little bit of a play area in the centre there for the kids. Oh, some things over there I'd like to look at. So here we have little composting toilets. See, that's beautiful. Hot water system. Wow, that's really nice. Very good. A little bit of a view over there. Little kitchen, camp kitchen. Look at that beautiful big piece of tree for a table. Couple of chairs. Camp kitchen. And here we have fire pits. It's not quite the end of fire season, band season yet, but you can have a campfire at night. Recyclables. That's us over there, parked over there. Such a beautiful atmosphere here. Big old wagon. So in here when they have their weekend workshops, this is probably where they do some of their yoga and, oh yeah, there's yoga mats here. And yeah, it's really nice. Floor feels nice, it's kind of like when you walk on it, it's springy. So you can go camping with all your tents and things. Little shower room. Gosh, it's really beautiful. Got everything you need. These beautiful big seats. Little cabin that you can hire if you want to stay for a weekend. So where we're going to now is where they grow all their food. It's really quite nice. Go down and have a look at the animals. What do you think so far, Toots?
Pretty good.
Eh? Sure, what a great place to explore.
I just went for a walk around in there.
Yep.
All the orange trees and lemon trees and that.
Oh, sweet.
Pretty good.
Not too bad.
Then still there's all the apples.
Oh, all the geese. It's alright. Right. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Comes the other one. Hello. They're probably hoping to get an apple or something.
Yeah.
Eh? Hello. It's cool. Not sure what all these are, but all those little cherry tomatoes there. Not sure what that is. Pomegranates. Little pomegranate flower, so that'll turn into one of those fruit. so much fresh food being grown here. It's really, I don't really know a lot of what it is, but lots of chilies and onions and all kinds of things. But yeah, it's really nice. It's nice to be somewhere, I don't know, somewhere nice to be a bit, it's not new agey, but it's a bit kind of like natural. Is that the word for it? Yeah, but it's good. Yeah, let's go and have a look and look at some other things. This is where the chooks come up to lay their eggs.
Oh, can you see him?
Yeah, they come in there, they're in the chook pen, they come up through that hole
Have you seen him?
and lay their eggs. Whoa. They look like nice apples. Not sure what these are. So the other one was apples and nectarines and things, and this one's citrus. Everything's not quite ripe yet. Oh, avocado tree there. Avocado. Oh, not avocado. Mango tree. It's not ripe yet. I don't know much about mangoes, but except that they taste nice. Little fig tree. Figs aren't ripe yet, but a few birds. The birds come in and have a bit of a look, a bit of a feed. Figs. Birds eating. Not ripe, but probably another month or so, I suppose. I was here about half an hour ago looking at these little prickly things. And you know, I thought I'll just touch one of those balls. But what you can't see is you can see the big prickles, but you can't see the little ones. And let me tell you what, I barely touched it, and I must have got about 4. It's just so sharp, and they go in your finger so far, it took a bit to get them out. So lesson learned, don't touch these things. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Bit of a walk around, a bit of a look. See, what a beautiful place. When you come here, it just feels so relaxing. And lots to do, it'd be a great place for the kids to explore. They couldn't get up any mischief. And I'm not sure what this means, but some people that are probably into new agey things would know what that is, but to me it's a piece of art. Looks alright.